Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about human digestive system. Digestive system is also known as alimentary canal or gastrointestinal tract. The alimentary canal begins with an anterior opening, the mouth, and it opens out posteriorly through the anus. The mouth leads to the buccal cavity or oral cavity. The purpose of digestion is to change the foodstuffs by mechanical and chemical action to simple forms, which can be easily absorbed into blood and utilized by various tissues in the body. Length of alimentary canal is 8 to 10 meters from mouth to the anus, and other accessory organs are salivary glands, liver, and exocrine part of pancreas. The process of digestion involves breaking up of large particles of foodstuffs like polysaccharides, fats, and proteins into smaller particles like monosaccharides, fatty acids, and amino acids, which can be easily absorbed. So, after absorption, products are metabolized for the production of energy for various activities of the body system. So, gastrointestinal tract is formed by two types of organs. First is primary digestive organs, and the second is accessory digestive organs. In primary digestive organs, where actual digestion takes place, organs involved are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. And the second is accessory digestive organs, which help the primary digestive organs in the process of digestion. Organs are teeth, tongue, salivary glands, exocrine part of pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. So, in digestive system of human, there are total 4 phases. First is ingestion, second is digestion, third is absorption, and the last is excretion. In ingestion, taking of food and chewing of food are functions performed by mouth, teeth, and tongue. And in second phase, that is digestion, which occurs in the stomach and upper part of small intestine, that is in duodenum and jejunum. Then the third phase is absorption, which mainly occurs in small intestine. And the last phase is excretion, where large intestine absorbs major quantity of water and the residue is excreted in the form of feces or stool.